Solved problems. Single step and multiple step income statement. Problem. A portion of the adjusted trial balance for the company is shown below. Sales. Net of 8,000 sales discounts and 24,500 sales returns and allowances. 417,500. Cost of goods sold 210,000. Salaries expense 38,000. Depreciation expense building 40,000. Advertising expense 12,300. Office supplies expense 3,500. Gains on disposal of stores equipment 3,000. Interest expense 1,000. Required. Prepare a single step statement. Prepare multiple step income statement. Solution. Single step income statement. Particulars, amount, revenues and gains. Sales revenue net 417,500. Gain on sales of assets 3,000. Total revenue and gains 420,500. Expenses and losses. Cost of goods sold 210,000. Salaries expense 38,000. Office supplies expense 3,500. Depreciation on buildings 40,000. Advertising expense 12,300. Interest expense 1,000. Total expenses and losses 304,800. Net income 115,700. Multiple step income statement. Particulars, amount. Net sales 417,500. Cost of goods sold 210,000. Gross profit 207,500. Operating expenses. Selling expenses. Advertising expense 12,300. Admin expenses. Salaries expense 38,000. Office supplies expense 3,500. Total operating expenses 41,500. Operating income 153,700. Non-operating or other. Gain on sale of investments 3,000. Interest expense less 1,000. Depreciation buildings less 40,000. Total non-operating expense 38,000. Net income 115,700.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.